Hey, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style, my YouTube cooking channel. So look, I bring you these snacks today as a recipe. So very easy to prepare, very nice. So the first we need to bought store pizza dough, just as easy as that. I just bought it and then I'm gonna cut it in circles, the size you like. So of course. So, and now just I got a oven tray, and this time I got pistachio oil, but you can use olive oil or the one you like. I will add a little bit of Parmesan cheese, Grana Padano cheese, the cheese actually that you like. I got some Parmesan. Then I will add some ground pepper, a little bit of salt. Also remember the Parmesan is salty, so you gotta be careful, yeah? And now I'm gonna bring some Italian herbs on it. You can of course use another herbs you like. So, and I got some cherry tomato in halves, and I will cover all of this with the circles with pizza dough I did. Just as easy as that. So let's make them all. So just I'm gonna just brush it a little bit with olive oil on top of the dough, and I will add a little bit of Italian herbs on top. If this is not a must, but it's just nice. And then we're gonna bake it. It gets very easy. You need hot oven because you need up and down temperature. And look, they just like that. It's very easy. There's no time. Just when the pastry oven, oh no, the pastry, the pizza dough is ready, is a little bit the color you like, we are done. Yeah, look at this. That's just very easy. And then you gotta turn it on to the plate and just enjoy it. So I hope you like it. Subscribe for more channels. There are a lot of recipes and food ideas here for your weekends, for your parties, for your poker, dinner, everything. So I hope you like it and take care, everyone. Thumb up. Cheers.